video now? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Hold on. Watch out, Anya.
Can you get it smaller?
Here.
Anya, did you say thank you?
Baby.
Regina, have you met Anya?
Yeah, when she was a baby.
When she was a baby.
And then this baby goes in your stroller.
Can't get the hole.
Oh yeah, Anya was just a baby. Anya was just born.
I had to stay home.
Anya was just born.
Anya was just born.
Hey.
Yeah, we went to Morton. We went to
Yeah, Arnie Martin.
They hearted me, remember?
She's gonna sleep. She's gonna.
Get the baby. Hold on.
Let's let Anya blow out some candles and then.
Okay.
I'm trying to open it.
Do you like baby?
Oh, there, baby. Okay, I know I need to put the baby out now. Hold on, Anya.
Oh, this baby does all kinds of stuff. This baby does all kinds of stuff as well. It's one of those.
She's like, open it.
Yeah.
She's excited about this baby. Oh my god, how do I open this? Okay, look, it has diapers.
Is this empty now?
Oh, yeah, that's what you have to do.
Diapers.